Hello, this is Kannimathu Subramaniam, Head Center of Excellence in Algorithms, Professor, Department of Computer Science Engineering, Karpum College of Engineering, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, India. Today, I am going to present keynote session on artificial intelligence techniques in industrial data science as part of third international conference on artificial intelligence, electromechanical automation. First of all, I must thank Academic Exchange Information Center and Professor Yang for providing these wonderful opportunities to present a keynote session in third international conference on artificial intelligence and electromechanical automation. It is AIEA 2022. Today's agenda is to discuss about the introduction to artificial intelligence techniques in industrial data science. Then what data science actually means to manufacturing industries. And I will explore about how does the manufacturing industry use data science. And I will discuss the applications of data science in manufacturing. Then I will tell about the future of data science in manufacturing industry. And I will discuss some of the case studies which is pertaining to equipment failure to prediction, then quality prediction in manufacturing industries. First, I start with industrial data science. Actually, industrial data science is an emerging field in the new future. It is all about building a smart company infrastructure. It should be a blur or thin line between the operational and digital process in manufacturing industries. Big data analytics provides innovative opportunities to establish an efficient process which able to reduce cost and risk. It improves safety measures, maintains the regulatory compliance, and it will be very, very useful for better decision making for business processes. Big data analytics is all about handling huge amount of data in any data sources. We realize many applications which is pertaining to manufacturing industries, medicine, retail industries, and so on. Actually, industrial data science formed a new breed of experts who are on technical driven, data empowered domain experts with access to industrial data. Sometimes you may call this a data which is written from machineries, manufacturing industries, and machine learning or artificial intelligence and data analytical tools. They stand at the crossroads between the traditional data scientists and the industrial domain experts. They are the domain experts shifting over to the data realm. This is going to be the key trend in the new future because many manufacturing industries need of automation. That is a computer-driven manufacturing industries. They are collecting the data. Based on the data, we can make effective decisions. We can forecast the trends by using the data. So, industrial data science is a subfield of artificial intelligence. It makes use of machine learning or AI algorithms for making the effective decisions. First, I start with what data science actually means to manufacturing industries. So, before getting into data science, there is the use of data science for manufacturing industry. I wish to tell about digital manufacturing. So, digital manufacturing is the field. It is the use of integrated computer-based system comprised of simulations, visualizations, particularly 3D visualization, and they make use of analytics and collaboration tools for making the decisions. For smooth conducting of manufacturing process, we use computer help. To create product and manufacturing process definitions simultaneously, we use digital manufacturing. So actually, digital manufacturing evolved from manufacturing initiative such as design for manufacturability, computer integrated manufacturing, flexible manufacturing, lean manufacturing. So I explain one by one. Actually, digital manufacturing uh, is based on these initiatives. First, I start with design for manufacturability, shortly called as DFM. It's a process of designing the parts or components or products for ease of manufacturing with an end goal of making a better product at a lower cost. And the next thing is computer integrated manufacturing, shortly called as CIM. It is a manufacturing approach of using the computing system to control the entire production process. Then third one is flexible manufacturing. It is a production method that is designed to easily adapt to changes in the type of quantity of the product being manufactured. Then fourth one is lean manufacturing. It is a one kind of production process which is based on the concept of maximizing the productivity while simultaneously minimizing the waste within a manufacturing operation. To effectively utilize the raw materials which is used for manufacturing, we are using lean manufacturing. So what I want to say, this concept is we use data science task. That is one kind of artificial intelligence method to solve these problems efficiently and effectively. That highlight the need for collaborative product and process design. First of all, I wish to say about the industrial revolution. Uh, so actually, now we are in Industry 4.0 industrial revolution. We are moving towards Industry 5.0. Actually, it is evolved from Industry 1.0. It started during 1784. Uh, Basically, Industry 1.4 focuses on mechanization of a particular product. That is, uh, we are solving the problem with the help of mechanical devices. That is steam power weaving loom came this time. And during 1870s, the industry 2.0 happens. We did mass productions with the help of devices, mechanical devices, and electrical devices. Assembly line and electrical energy are the sources of this industry 2.0. And during 1969, we came into industry 3.0. The automation is a key point here. So this is the process happened under manufacturing is happened with the help of automation. With the partial human intervention, we have completed the manufacturing process. And we make use of that is we made use of computers and electronic devices for completing the manufacturing process. Today we are living in industry 4.0, which involves cyber physical systems, IoT, and networks. Actually, cyber physical systems is a mechanism controlled and monitored by a computer-based algorithms. Actually, example: smart grid, autonomous automobile systems. So these are came into industry 4.0. So we may make use of sensory devices for solving the problems, which is connected with the internet. Actually. Internet is the key sources in industry 4.0. And now we are moving towards industry 5.0. Okay, so we deal with many there is concepts like cyber physical systems and robotics and there may be a connection between the robotics which deals with automating the manufacturing process and so on. Actually, Industry 4.0 is defined as a name for the current trend of automation and data exchange in manufacturing technologies, including cyber physical systems, Internet of Things, cloud computing, and cognitive computing, and creating the smart factory. So, for designing the smart factories, we are making use of IoT, cloud computing, and the cyber physical systems. It is characterized by, among others, even more automation than in the third industrial revolution. It preserves the that is it bridging of physical and digital worlds through cyber physical systems enabled by industry IoT. Actually, it just shifts from a central industrial control system to one where smart products define the production step. It makes use of closed loop data models and control systems. And in this Industry 4.0, we did personalization and customization of products. In fourth industrial revolution, we used cyber physical systems to complete the manufacturing process. First of all, I wish to tell about this overview of data science. Today, the data science is applied in healthcare industries, customer service, government, cyber security, mechanical, aerospace, and other industry applications. Currently, we are going through the fourth industrial revolution where data from machines, environment, and products are being collected to get closer to that simple goal of just in time. That is making the right products in right quantities at the right time. So it is called just in time. One might ask why JIT is so important for manufacturing. The simple answer is to reduce the manufacturing cost and making the product more affordable for everyone. And we can able to do customization and personalization of products in a manufacturing industries if we use JIT. Next thing is setting the stage for industrial data science success. Actually, it requires organization level skills as well as leadership and support. The most successful industrial IoT initiatives become data science projects actually. Because industrial IoT deals with data, particularly sensory data. By using the sensory data, we make effective decisions. That is, with the help of AI and machine learning algorithms, we can generate a model, intelligent model, so that we can make effective decisions. For example, a failure of a machine or components we can identify, and we can identify the quality of the product with the help of industrial IoT. Okay. Next, connected sensors on machines and equipment, tools, pallets, and manufactured items generate volumes of data points. That is, the sensors, machines, equipment generate huge amount of data. Okay, these data points are mainly used for making the decisions. So here we are using the data to fuel the transformation. In current world, creating resilience and flexibility. Okay, it is said by Steve Pillsbury, principal at PwC Consulting. Next thing is new technologies causing disruptions far and wide. Actually. So the disruption happened nowadays because owners name cost cutting as their primary objective. For example, employer, their primary purpose is to reduce the cost for manufacturing process, to effectively complete the manufacturing task on time, So these are the main key factors which is given by or forced by the employer. So for manufacturing, with the goal of operating with lower and lower margin, a disruption toolkit might include the tools like cloud, big data, business analytics and dashboards, then smart factories, which involve sensory devices, then industrial Internet IoT. They make use of robotics and automations. So by using these toolkits, we can that is solve the problem, manufacturing problem effectively. So I wish to tell about something about data science. According to IBM, the demand for specialists in the field will see a 30% rise increase by 2022. Actually, research by Seagate reports by 2025, around 175 zettabytes of data will be generated on a annual basis. So the requirement for data scientists is very huge, and also the data that you are handling in a manufacturing or any other industries is exponential. But in which data industry, in which industries data scientists belong to, and where they can utilize their skills. There are several areas and functions where data scientists can reap endless rewards. So I list some of the industries where data scientists plays a vital role. First one is finance, followed by healthcare, travel industries, energy, manufacturing, gaming, or pharmaceuticals. So I explained what is the role of data scientists for these areas, okay, one by one. First one is finance, actually. So one of the most numbers driven in the world is the finance area. So it is one of the first industries that adopted data science into the field. Okay, earlier stage itself, they have introduced the data science. Actually, data science in finance helps in risk assessment, monitoring, and identifying the potential fraudulent behavior, payments in a financial transactions, and if you wish to there is analyze the customer, their experience among many other utilizations, we use data science task. Actually, it is able to make data-driven decisions, create a more stable financial environment, and the data scientists make the backbone of the industry. Next area is healthcare. Actually, it is able to connect pattern recognition, analytics, statistics, and deep learning algorithms. According to the research by the Journal of American Medical Informatics Association, the demand for data scientists in the healthcare area grows rapidly, exponentially. Deep learning techniques, machine learning techniques are used to quickly process huge volumes of data for clinical data management, laboratory reports, data. Actually, data scientists enable more precise diagnosis process. Actually, data science is in the heart of the process for smart wearables that tracks and detects health conditions. Nowadays, we are doing robotic surgery. There is AI systems involves which collects data from several sources and making effective decision. With the help of robotics, we are making we are solving the problems which is related to patient and diseases. So there is one of the advantages. So in this field, data science plays a vital role. Next application is travel industries. We use data science for travel personalization. Actually, it just creates the customer profiles based on the segmentations, offering personalized experiences according to their needs and preferences. Actually, data science skills and abilities are applied in forecasting the behavior of travelers by knowing where they want to go next and what kind of prices they are ready to pay. Okay, and when to launch these special promotions. Okay, which is based on there is customer interest. Okay, So in these stars, we use data science actually. Next field is energy. The data science plays a vital role in the energy area. So actually, many energy environment experiences major fluctuations in prices and higher cost of projects. Obtaining high quality information has never been so important. So data science help in cutting cost, reducing the risk, optimizing the investments, and improving the equipment maintenance. So predicting models are used to monitor the compressors, which in turn can reduce the number of downtime delays. For example, tools like Oracle, Hadoop, NoSQL, Python, various other software solutions are used in extracting the evaluating the data. Next industry, for most famous industry is called gaming industry. There are 2.5 billion gamers across the world, and the industry is becoming the heart of entertainment. Actually, data science is used to build models, analyzing the optimization points in a gaming environment, and making the predictions or identify patterns to ultimately improve the gaming models. Okay, it is just limited to production process. Data scientists also work in the monetizations. For example, with the help of gaming industries, we can detect the fraudulent activities. Next area is pharmaceuticals. It is connected to human health actually. It is human. It is the pharma industries can utilize data science to ensure a more stable approach for planning clinical trials. Actually, the development of new medicine and identifying the suitable candidates for based on their body structure, such as chemical structure, medical history, or other important characteristics, we use data science. So data science scientists plays vital role in making the effective decisions with respect to pharmaceutical industries. Now, I wish to discuss about how does the manufacturing industries use data science. Previously, I have explained about the applications of data science in various industries. So, how manufacturing industry use data science? Actually, manufacturing industry keeps growing in the need of data scientists, where they can apply their knowledge of broad data management solutions through quality assurance, tracking defects, that is identifying the defects, and identifying the severity of the defects, and increasing the quality of the supplier relations. Utilizing the preventive maintenance to troubleshoot potential equipments. Okay. Actually, manufacturing industry is avoiding delays in the production process. Implementing the artificial intelligence and the production analytics offer the possibility to manage the frequent manufacturing issues and overproduction of product, logistic or inventory. Actually, data scientists help in identifying the inefficiencies and turning the production process. So how does the manufacturing industry use data science? So the manufacturing industries use that is data science for analyzing the performance, reducing the errors, which reduce the errors in production, and adapt to changes in market trends. So these AI-based machines are capable of performing the following tasks as per the instruction fed into them. For example, creating an item, eliminating the defected item, packing in an item, then supplying the product in the market. With the help of data science techniques, companies can keep track of their growth. This is how application of data science in manufacturing industry help them grow. Actually, to calculate the efficiency and performance of machine, first of all, what we do is we need to collect the production process data. Next, we can use data science techniques like visualizations. Companies analyze the number of product manufactured per day. Next, we can that is identify the number of defected items and the causes of the defected are kept in track. With the help of collected data, the revenue for the year as per the conditions of the current protections can be predicted. Actually, we can identify the balance between the demand for a product in the market and its supply that has to be managed and products should be manufactured. That actually protection systems are optimized consistently for boosting their performance and revenue. So we can identify the machine efficiency and performance with the help of performance of the machine. Industry case studies. First case study is identifying the equipment. That is, you need to predict the equipment failure by using the artificial intelligence methods. So when it's coming to dealing with the machine that require periodic maintenance, that generally the possible outcomes happens. One, you can maintain the machine too frequently, and in other words, the machine gets maintenance when it's not required. In this scenario, you are throwing a money out in the window, wasting resources, providing unnecessary maintenance. For example, you could change the oil in your car every single day. This is clearly not an optimal. So until you waste a lot of money on unnecessary maintenance. Two, you don't maintain your machine frequently enough. Here, the cost could be substantial. Not only you do the repair cost, but also cost associated with the loss protection. If a machinery on the assembly lines goes down, the line cannot produce anything. So no protection means no loss, means lost profit. The third thing is that a machine is maintained when it needs maintenance. This is obviously the better alternative of the three. Note that there is still a cost associated with timely maintenance. So we need to maintain a machines when they need maintenance, right? Unfortunately, this is easier said than done. But fortunately, we can use prediction maintenance to predict when machines needs maintenance. So we can use prediction maintenance algorithm to find the equipment failure predictions. Actually, we mount the sensors like IoT devices, automatic manufacturing like robot arms, process monitoring under control equipment, collect and transfer data, continuous basis with timestamp. First of all, we need to collect the data, then we need to data analysis. So and after that, after collecting the data, we need to select the best features to for inputting to the machine learning algorithm. Then after that, use suitable machine learning algorithms for making the predictions based on the nature of the data. Then after generating the machine learning model, we need to check whether your algorithm works perfectly or not. There is evaluation of machine learning algorithm. Then finally, we can make the effective decision with the help of model that you generated. So, so there are three concepts that you have to understand. First, we need to analyze the features. Then we need to analyze the target variable, that is outcome. Then we need to take care of the data sizes. So this is the simple code fragment for making the equipment failure predictions. First one is here we need to import the libraries, that is Pandas, Numeri Python libraries, which is used for data processing, and we use sklearn library for making the effective predictions. So here I have used functions for training the machine learning models. So here I have used logic regression for making the prediction, human failure prediction. So I have created a constructor for logic regression, and I have supplied input pattern and output pattern for making the predictions and generating the machine learning model. To evaluate the performance of the machine learning model, I just used a predict method, which supplies the input vector and check whether our prediction algorithm predicted well or not. I can evaluate the performance of the algorithm by computing the model accuracy. So here I have used a score method for evaluating the performance of the machine learning. So this is the confusion matrix, which depicts the type 1 and type 2 error, is used to analyze the performance of the machine learning. So here I have used some of the input vector like football, ATEM, self LR, swing LR, dole LR, VID, out pressure, in pressure, temperature. And these are the input vector and this is the output vector. So output vector is a discrete one. So I have used a logistic regression. If output vector is a numeric means we can use linear regression model. So after selecting the input vector and output vector from this data set, I can split the data set into trained data and test data set. To train data set mainly used to generate the machine learning model, and test data set is used to evaluate the performance of the model. So the model that I have, that is function that I have defined already, is invoked here to evaluate the performance of the model. So this is the predicted result. Actually, my overall accuracy is 89.79. Other performance like recall, specificity, precision also calculated. So these are the convincing results. So we can use machine learning algorithm, artificial intelligence technique for equipment failure detection. Next one is quality prediction in manufacturing. Okay, in quality predictions, there is expected production quality is affected by manufacturing system design decision. So product quality prediction would allow a manufacturer to make better sizes of system parameters at the early design stage. So data analytics have been adapted to predict the quality of the product and identifying the root causes of the sort, and class flow ML models. The quality of part is influenced by various processing variables such as barrel temperatures, nozzle temperatures, injection pressures, time and speed, cold pressures, refill time, cooling time, etc. So these process variables are able to closely monitored and controlled to manufacture products with desirable quality and minimizing the rejections. So first we need to collect the data set which is obtained from sources, and we can use Python libraries to process for data processing, and sklearn for machine learning. We can load the data by using read_csv file. Then here I have data set input vector and output vectors, the holding pressure time, melt time, mold temperature, cooling time, volume flow, max deformation. Here the max deformation is say output vector. Okay, so other columns are input vectors. So here I can use logistic regression, the linear regression for making the prediction. So here I have called linear regression methods to making the prediction. Fit method is used to train the machine learning model, and we can print the prediction error by using the mean square error function, performance factor functions. So, so I have explained two case studies, quality prediction as well as equipment failure prediction. This will be very useful for manufacturing industries. I want to thank AIC portal and Professor Young for providing this wonderful opportunity. Thank you. Do you have any queries? Please raise. This is my contact details. Thank you. Thanks a lot for listening.